Here's a preparation. And the operator has made a decision. I'm not going to etch. I can just use the one-step system and apply it and rub it for 20 seconds and then take an air syringe and blow that solution and watch it. And most of us wear loops today. And initially it'll be kind of wavy, and then the solvent that's in it will evaporate off and it won't be wavy anymore. So, and then cure with a light and you're all done. Some people say, well, I think I still would like to selectively etch the enamel because I want to make it a little bit stronger. And we really don't have to, but if you wanted to do that, you could do that with these universal materials, and especially this Adhese material. And then you would rinse it and leave it slightly moist. And the ambiguity and the difficulty of what is moist is not that much of a consideration. We'll show the research for that in this case, or you could totally etch everything. Now, the reason why I support more of going away from using the blue etch, and especially on a class 2, if we have a matrix for the class 2 and we use the sectional matrix with special rings and things today, and we have a tight seal, if we go ahead and place and etch it and then rinse it, we usually have to rinse it with high volume suction, and that suction can cause a vacuum. And if we're not careful, we put it tightly on this area, it can cause a vacuum. And even here, like you see, there's a rubber dam. We could cause saliva to come up through the sealed gingival margin and contaminate and set that restoration up for failure just by our technique. And we've seen that clinically for decades on failed class 2 resin composites because maybe just that one step was violated. So the more we could decrease these kinds of steps and not have to go to those kinds of variables, we can have more successful restorations.